So hi guys, how's it going? This is my 2013 Ford Focus ST. So this is the ST3 version. So it comes with the Recaro seats and also 6-speed manual transmission. So one time I was driving this car and I felt something snap on the rear suspension. And also the suspension become a little bit loose. So I have to check it out, and this is what I found. So on today's video, I'm gonna replace the stabilizer link on the rear suspension of this Ford Focus ST 2013. So now guys, let's get started. So this is the sway bar link I got from Amazon, and I was thinking to replace both sway bar link, but the problem is they don't have anything in stock right now on Amazon. Only one is available. But since I already have one broken one, I decided to buy it and install this part today. Check it out what's inside here. So that's the sway bar link or stabilizer link. I think it's a good quality. We'll see. Anyway, I'm gonna install this today, and hopefully this is the same size, because it says this is supposed to be for the Ford Focus ST for the year 2013, and I hope it fits. So this is the sway bar link that we can replace. I'm gonna spray a bit of WD-40 to penetrate and loosen up this nut. So now I'm gonna use my 14mm ratcheting box wrench. There you go. So for the new one, you have to remove this. So before you install the new link, compare the new link with the old one, if they're the same length. So they are the same length, because you don't want them to have a different length. It's not gonna work properly. So I think this part is okay. So don't tighten the nut completely. So for this, you're gonna need something to counter the rotation. If you're gonna tighten from the bottom, you need an open box wrench. So in this case, this is 13. Another 13 on the nut. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. So remember, there's more mods and DIY coming soon. So please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.